So in this video we are talking about how you can find and change your user agent in your browser, like Chrome browser, and we are going to talk about what is the user agent. So guys, user agent basically the information to the your browser that what kind of or what type of device you are using. Okay, so as you can see in your daily life, if you're opening any Facebook, any website like Facebook or Instagram on your mobile device, its view or your experience is different. And same website if you're using on desktop or iPad or any other phones or device, so this is all options and all experience and all visuals are different. So basically, if you're using the any browser, so in every browser there is this option that there is a default option where browser send your information to the website about your device. So this is a basic information, and this is a normal thing that every browser send to the website services like Facebook and any website you are using. So this website know about what kind of device and mobile you're using. So the basically how you can change it, you can change temporary. Okay, you can't change the permanently it. So if I want to use your any other device on your desktop or mobile, so you can use. So okay, so if I using here, okay, so how you can change it and where you can find, open your browser, just click on this three dot option, go to the more tools, and here go to the develop tools here. Okay, and now here you can also again see that this three dot option, and go to the more tools. Under the more tools, find out the network conditions, and under the network condition you can see the user agent. Just untick it because this currently using your default agents. So you if you want to change, just untick it, and from here you can change your any device name. Okay, so there is a BlackBerry, Android, Chrome browser, uh, every operating service you can see here. So I just choose the Opera. I just choose iPad. So now just choose iPad. Now you can search here. Okay, if I search YouTube, so you can see this is experience is different. And if I open the same website in another tab, you can see this is showing the .com, youtube.com. It is it's showing by default that I'm using the Windows 10. And here you can see there is a showing the am.youtube.com, means it's showing that this is the mobile view. Okay, am view means mobile view. Okay, so here you can find out your user agents, and you can also search your user agent in Google. How you can search, just come to the Google and search my user agent, and this is your user agent code, and you have to just select it, copy it, and open another tab and find decode user agent. Just type decode user agent and select this developer and first links, and here you have to paste it, this code which you have copied, and just click on paste this user agent. So here you can see I'm using the Chrome 106 on Windows 10. So this is my user agent, decode user agent. This is my Chrome browser, Windows 10. Okay, so there is a two way you can find your user agent, and if you want to experience different device in your same browser, so you can use these steps that you can change your user agent like this, and you can use the other user agent or device view temporarily in your browser. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for